to me. Talk again. Yeah? What did you do today? Pardon? Yeah? Did you sleep all day? On Alyssa's bed? Milo? Yeah? Oh. Do you love me? Mama? Yeah. You good boy? Tell Nanny. Oh, goodness. Anything else? Did you play with Max? Hey? Did you play with Muggins? Oh, baby. Oh, goodness. Who loves you? Does Nanny love you? Hey? Okay, I'll let you go back to sleep. Night-night. Night-night, Milo.